Have you ever wondered how Toyota, one of the world's leading automobile manufacturers, consistently delivers high-quality vehicles? The secret lies in a unique approach known as Toyota KATA. Toyota KATA, a term that might sound unfamiliar to many, is a Japanese word that translates to form. In the context of Toyota, it signifies a structured routine that guides its employees towards achieving their goals. This philosophy was born out of necessity in the mid-20th century when Toyota was trying to catch up to its Western competitors in the auto industry. With limited resources and a daunting task ahead, Toyota developed a problem-solving routine that relied on scientific thinking and continuous improvement. This routine, now known as Toyota KATA, became the driving force behind Toyota's rise to global prominence. Over time, Toyota KATA's influence has extended far beyond the assembly lines of Toyota's factories. Its principles have found applicability in diverse fields, from education and healthcare to software development and logistics. The essence of Toyota KATA lies in its ability to build problem-solving skills and promote innovation, making it an invaluable tool for organizations seeking to thrive in an ever-changing world. This unique approach is not just about solving problems, it's about developing a mindset of continuous learning, of constant improvement, and of relentless pursuit of objectives. It's about fostering a culture where challenges are viewed not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. It's about empowering individuals to take ownership of their work and to continually strive for excellence. So, how does Toyota KATA achieve all this? It does so by integrating scientific thinking into everyday routines, creating a culture of continuous learning and improvement. It's a blend of science and routine, a formula that has been instrumental in Toyota's success story. And now, companies around the world are discovering the transformative power of Toyota KATA. They're using it to navigate the complexities of the modern business landscape, to drive innovation and to achieve seemingly unattainable goals. So what exactly is Toyota KATA? Let's delve deeper and find out. To understand Toyota KATA, we must first understand the word kata. In Japanese, kata means form and refers to a detailed choreographed pattern of movements. It embodies the idea of deliberate and purposeful practice to achieve mastery. Now, how does Toyota KATA apply this concept to business practices? Well, it takes the essence of kata and blends it with the principles of continuous improvement and scientific methodology. This fusion creates a unique approach to problem-solving and organizational development. Toyota KATA is not a single process, but rather a combination of two main components: the improvement kata and the coaching kata. The improvement kata is a systematic and scientific approach to problem solving. It encourages us to understand our current condition, define our next target condition, and then iteratively experiment our way towards that target. On the other hand, the coaching kata is a pattern of teaching and learning. It provides a structured method for managers and leaders to support and mentor their teams in the practice of the improvement kata. It moves beyond the traditional role of a manager and positions them as a coach, fostering an environment where learning and improvement become the norm. So, by practicing these two katas, organizations can foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. They create an environment where challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth and learning. It's a shift in mindset, from seeing problems as something to be avoided, to viewing them as a chance to learn, grow, and innovate. In essence, Toyota KATA is about instilling the habit of constant improvement, creating a culture that embraces change, and promoting a mindset that sees every challenge as a learning opportunity. It's about turning scientific thinking into a skill that anyone can learn and apply, thereby enhancing our ability to tackle seemingly unattainable challenges in business, education, politics, and everyday life. By practicing these two katas, organizations can foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Why should we care about Toyota KATA? What does it have to do with problem solving? Well, let's delve deeper. Toyota KATA primarily encourages a systematic approach to problem solving. It's like a compass guiding us through the foggy landscape of challenges we face in our professional and personal lives. But how does it do that, you might ask? It begins by helping us identify the challenges that stand in our way. You see, before we can solve a problem, we need to understand what it is. Toyota KATA encourages us to clearly define our challenges, to shed light on the path that lies ahead. Once we've got a clear picture of our challenges, the next step is to establish a vision. It's like setting a destination on a GPS. This is where Toyota KATA really shines. It doesn't just tell us to set a goal, but it helps us craft an actionable vision, a real achievable future state that we can strive towards. But here's the kicker. Toyota KATA understands that the journey towards this vision isn't a straight line. It's a winding path filled with obstacles and detours. So it encourages us to take incremental steps towards our vision. It's not about making massive leaps or taking risky shortcuts. It's about consistent, steady progress. It's about learning and adapting as we go, navigating through the fluctuations of our ever-changing environment. And that's the beauty of it. No matter how daunting the challenge may seem at first, Toyota KATA teaches us to break it down into manageable chunks. It teaches us to take one step at a time, always moving forward, always learning, always improving. So why should we care about Toyota KATA? Because it provides us with a framework to systematically approach and overcome any problem. It helps us turn our vision into reality, one step at a time. It's a powerful tool that fosters a culture of continuous improvement and learning. Toyota KATA is not just a tool, but a mindset that drives strategic and operational improvement. It's a compass that guides us on our journey towards success. Let's dive into the first component of Toyota KATA, the Improvement KATA. The Improvement KATA is a four-step model that forms the backbone of Toyota's approach to problem solving. It's a scientific and systematic process designed to tackle any challenge, whether it's in the business realm, politics, education, or just everyday life. The first step in this model is to understand the direction. This is about setting a long-term vision or challenge, and it's crucial because it gives us a sense of direction and purpose. It's not necessarily about achieving this vision tomorrow, next week, or even next year. Instead, it's about having a clear idea of where you want to go in the long run. The next step is to grasp the current condition. Here we need to take a hard look at our current reality. This involves collecting data, observing, and truly understanding where we are right now in relation to our long-term vision. It's about being brutally honest and not sugarcoating the facts. Remember, you can't map a route to your destination if you don't know your starting point. The third step is to establish the next target condition. This is where we set a reachable goal that moves us closer to our long-term vision. It's like a waypoint on a journey. It's not the final destination, but it's a point along the way that we aim to reach within a certain time frame. This target condition should be challenging, yet achievable. It's about stretching ourselves, but not to the point of breaking. The final step is to conduct experiments. This is where the rubber meets the road. We try different approaches, we test hypotheses, we learn from our mistakes and successes, and we adjust our course as necessary. It's about learning by doing and embracing a mindset of continuous improvement. Each of these steps is vital to the process. The direction gives us a sense of purpose. The current condition provides a reality check. The target condition challenges us to step out of our comfort zone, and the experiments provide the lessons we need to learn and grow. But remember, the Improvement KATA isn't a one-and-done process. It's a cycle. Once we've conducted our experiments and learned from them, we go back to the start. We reassess our direction, grasp our new current condition, establish a new target condition, and then conduct more experiments. It's a journey of continual learning and improvement. And it's this journey that enables us to tackle seemingly unattainable challenges. It's not about finding a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about developing these skills and the mindset to navigate any challenge that comes our way. The Improvement KATA provides a systematic process to tackle any challenge, no matter how big or small. Now that we understand the Improvement KATA, let's explore the Coaching KATA. In the world of Toyota KATA, the coach plays an indispensable role. The coach is not just a mentor or a guide, but a facilitator who creates an environment for the learner to practice the Improvement KATA. The coach doesn't provide solutions. Instead, they guide the learner towards finding the solutions themselves. It's a bit like teaching someone to fish, rather than just handing them a fish. The Coaching KATA is a systematic approach to teaching and mentoring, designed to foster a culture of continuous learning. It's not about telling someone what to do or how to do it. It's about asking the right questions that lead the learner to understand the process and come up with their own solutions. It's about nurturing the innate problem-solving abilities of the learner and helping them see the bigger picture. So, how does the Coaching KATA support the learner in practicing the Improvement KATA? The answer lies in its structure. The Coaching KATA consists of 5 questions, each designed to guide the learner through the process of the Improvement KATA. These questions help the learner to focus on their target condition, understand their current condition, establish the next steps, and reflect on what they have learned. The first question is, what is the target condition? This helps the learner to articulate their goal clearly and concisely. The second question is, what is the actual condition now? This allows the learner to assess their current situation and identify gaps between it and the target condition. The third question is, what obstacles are now preventing you from reaching the target condition? This encourages the learner to identify the challenges they face in achieving their goal. The fourth question is, what is your next step? This prompts the learner to decide on the next action to take towards their target condition. Finally, the fifth question is, when can we go and see what we've learned from taking that step? This sets a specific time for the coach and learner to review the results of their actions and learn from them. These 5 questions are not just a script for the coach to follow, but a valuable tool for the learner to develop their problem-solving skills. The coaching kata is a way of fostering a culture of continuous learning and mentorship, where every challenge is seen as an opportunity to learn and improve. In essence, the coaching kata is about creating a habit of scientific thinking. It's about making the practice of the improvement kata a regular part of the learner's daily routine. It's about turning problem-solving into a skill that can be honed and developed over time. The coaching kata ensures that the practice of the improvement kata becomes a habit, a way of thinking. We've discussed the what and the why of Toyota Kata. Now let's look at its impact. Toyota Kata is not just a theoretical concept, it's a practical tool that has been successfully implemented by numerous organizations worldwide, producing remarkable results. Consider the case of a major airline. They were struggling with on-time departures, a key performance indicator in their industry. By adopting the improvement kata and the coaching kata, they were able to systematically identify bottlenecks, experiment with solutions, and eventually increase their on-time departure rate by a significant margin. Then there's the example of a large manufacturing company. They faced a seemingly insurmountable challenge, reducing waste while maintaining high production levels. Through the consistent practice of Toyota Kata, they were able to not only meet this challenge head-on, but also surpass their initial goals, resulting in substantial cost savings and environmental benefits. This isn't just about big corporations, though. Small businesses, educational institutions, even individual departments within larger organizations have all reaped the benefits of Toyota Kata. It's about developing a mindset of continuous improvement, a culture of learning and adaptation that can make any entity more resilient and effective. In these uncertain times, marked by rapid technological changes and unpredictable market forces, Toyota Kata offers a way to navigate the storm. It provides a structured approach to problem solving, enabling organizations to adapt and thrive rather than just survive. It's about not just reacting to changes but proactively shaping the future, one experiment at a time. Toyota Kata is more than just a methodology, it's a way of thinking, a way of working, a way of leading. It's about fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where everyone is empowered to contribute, to innovate, to make a difference. Toyota Kata, when practiced diligently, can transform the way we approach problems and lead to significant improvements. It's not a magic bullet, but a powerful tool in the arsenal of any organization or individual seeking to excel in an ever-changing world. Toyota Kata is more than just a method. It's a mindset that encourages continuous learning and improvement. It's a philosophy that's been proven to work time and again, not only in automobile manufacturing but across various fields where problem solving is crucial. We've explored the key elements of Toyota Kata, from its concept, importance in problem solving, to the improvement kata and the coaching kata. Each of these components is essential to the overall effectiveness of the method. We've also seen the profound impact that Toyota Kata can have when implemented correctly. It's not an overstatement to say that it can revolutionize the way you approach challenges in business, education, politics, and everyday life. If you're seeking a way to enhance problem-solving skills, consider exploring Toyota Kata further. Think about how you can integrate it into your organization or personal growth journey. Remember, the journey to improvement never ends. It's a continuous process, and Toyota Kata can be your guide.